Greetings people, I will explain you in simple words and terms with a step-by-step guide how to use PancakeSwap, yay. So depending on what you want to do, whether it's you want to swap your currency which is on the Binance Smart Chain, maybe you want to do the yield farming, anything you want to do, I'll just walk you through step by step. Super simple. First things you gotta do is you need MetaMask. It doesn't have to be exactly MetaMask, but everybody uses MetaMask, just get it. Link down below or type it into the Google App Store, Extension Store, you get that. Next up, you need to add the Binance Smart Chain. What you gotta do is, when you're either in this view or you have your drop-down menu for MetaMask over here, you remove your own camera, see the very top where it says Binance Smart Chain, you click this drop-down menu, the ETH mainnet is going to select it automatically. If you don't have the Binance Smart Chain, click on Add Network. They made it a little easier now, where you can just add the most common ones, so you can probably just click on Add Binance Smart Chain. Let's say you don't have BNB and you don't really use an exchange. I mean, you probably use an exchange, but let's just pretend you don't. But you have Ethereum or Bitcoin, anything like that. What you can do is, and I'll leave a link down below, there's a site that I usually use called SimpleSwap, where you can just exchange one crypto for another. For example, you have Bitcoin and you want BNB. You select the BSC, the Binance Smart Chain, for what you want to have. At the top, it's automatically selected. You can also go with anything you like. Click on exchange, and then on the next page, enter wallet address. You go to your wallet, click up there, it copies that, you go back, and then you paste it down there. And then it tells you send X amount to that address. After like 5 to 50 minutes, sometimes it takes a little, it's gonna stop your currency, but then you would have BNB. So you can access the Binance Smart Chain, you can get all the altcoins, all the garbage that is out there. Great. Now here's how we use PancakeSwap now, after me in the past tells you something. And now we're gonna talk about something that is happening fairly soon on ProBit. You might have seen when it comes to different exchanges that ProBit is one of the biggest one in the Asian market, and they have an event starting on the 22nd of May for a few days up until the 26th, where you can learn and earn is what they call it. And here they have the GXZ token where you can earn from the course. As in, if you sign up for the website and you participate, you can receive up to 28 GXZ or 5.6 per correct answer, 5 in total. 140,000 is available for that, and those rewards are limited, so first come, first serve. All you gotta do is you gotta head over to Learn and Earn, which will be this page over here, where you learn about crypto, you complete a quest, and where you learn about crypto, then you complete a short quiz and earn free rewards after. You can see, besides the Galactic Zone, there's also Smart Satoshis available, where you could have earned a few BTC here and there. And there are also others available right now. So here's how it would go once the Galactic Zone is live. You would click on Start Course, and in case you aren't logged in already, register, sign up, link down below by the way, and you would then start at the learning stage. Once you read the short article and you learn something about crypto, you would then next up take the quiz down there, answer the questions, and based on your correct answers, you get rewarded right after. For that, you have to complete KYC step 2, which means you have to associate not just a number with the account as well as an email, but also go through KYC so they know your customer. All those rewards are going to be distributed within 2 weeks after the course ends. And it's just a nice thing to not just get you engaged, but also teach you something about crypto while rewarding you for it. We have play to earn as an idea when it comes to games. We have trade to earn when it comes to buying and selling NFTs. There's hold to earn as well, stake to earn, and now we got learn and earn. So in case that's something for you, link in the description down below to sign up. It's gonna start on May 22nd at 9 AM UTC and ends 4 days later, 96 hours later on May 26th at the same time zone. In case you don't know what UTC+8 is, Google is your friend. We all live in different parts of the world and they can tell you. And then once you sign up, you can also explore the exchange, see different things they have, like the academy, the trading view for different coins, and also look at the new listings that they have, including the ones shown down here, but also more tokens to come every single week, as there are over 800 coins listed in 1,000 different markets, with over 2 million active users every single month. So when it comes to exchanges, this might be one that you haven't heard about before, or have heard about but never signed up, and right now is a pretty good time for that. In case you're interested, links to everything down below. And now, let's get back to gaming coins. Now we get rid of our camera, because up here, there's a button that is to connect your wallet. You click on that, and then it asks you, do you want to connect? The drop-down menu like this is going to appear, and you just click on approve. Then once you connect it, again, make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain. If you want to trade into any currency that is on the Binance Smart Chain, for example, let's say you watched Alex Becker before. And he in the past always talked about like Vulcan Forged or any of the altcoins that are on the Binance Smart Chain as well. No financial advice, don't buy this, just mentioning this is how you would do it if you want to get anything. You would have that down here. This one says copy address. You click on copy, you go to PancakeSwap. It asks you what do you want to select. In our case we have BNB, we can select BNB. And what do we want to swap that into? We would have this. We paste what we just copied, and then it tells you, do you want to add this, yes or no? You click on yes, and then you can swap into your token. The first time you use any currency when you swap, you have to approve it first. Costs like 20 cents roughly in gas fees, and then you're fine. That means also if you swap into a currency and then you want to swap that back, you have to approve it first. Now when you swap, you have this little, I'm barely blocking it, but right here, this little icon where you have settings. You can have standard, fast, and instant. That just means the gas fees are like 20, 21, or 22 cents. There is basically no chance that your transaction ever failed, so you will never lose gas fees. But if you want to have something 10 seconds earlier, you can click on instant. And then for slippage tolerance, the more they have on liquidity, meaning the more they have available of both tokens, the lower your slippage can go. For example, if you have BNB and you want to swap that into Tether, a stablecoin, you can go with 0.01% technically, because they always have that available. But when it comes to coins with a small market cap, like this one for example, anything under like 50 to 100 million is considered small, then you might want to increase this, otherwise it just tells you, hey, we don't have enough available, it doesn't work. Slippage means, let's say you swap $1, do you want to have $1 in the token that you get? Of course, that would be 0% slippage. If it slips by 1%, you might get 99 cents for $1. If you get any questions, leave them down below. And I would say see you in the next video fairly soon. Until then, take care.